Hello and welcome to Glenn's Small Engine in Greenville, Texas, home of the free repair videos for outdoor power equipment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the valves on a Briggs V-twin. Briggs makes a lot of different engines in the same configuration type. The valves adjust about the same way on most of them. We're going to set these valves on 4 thousandths on each valve. That applies to most of the Briggs V-twin engines like this. For other engine specifications and free videos, visit my website at smalleng.com. Okay, the first thing we're going to do here is pull the valve cover off. I take the plug wires off anytime I'm working on an engine. Just a good habit to get into. This little hose here is the pulse line for your fuel pump. This fuel pump operates off vacuum pulses from a crankcase. I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little closer. Here, what we want to do is roll the engine over till the exhaust rocker has got the exhaust valve wide open. Okay, you can see the lower rocker arm or the exhaust rocker going down. Okay, the exhaust valve is all the way open. Now we're ready to adjust the intake. Set this on 4 thousandths. Alright, you can see right here that's very loose. 1/2 inch lock nut, Torx TX30 set screw here. Set screw and break the lock nut loose here. Go ahead off a couple of turns. We're going to put our 4 thousandths feeler gauge in there and slowly turn it clockwise until it starts to tighten up. Right there it's starting to tighten up. So now we're going to go ahead and hold that in place and run our lock nut back down. That feels pretty good right there. So we're going to go ahead and roll the engine over until the intake is wide open, and we'll check the exhaust. Okay, now we're ready to check the exhaust. That's very loose. We're going to go ahead and break this lock nut loose. Hold this. While holding the set screw, you can break the lock nut just like that. Back it off a little bit. Once you get it loose, go ahead and start turning it clockwise till you feel it tighten up. This one here was way off. These valves being out of adjustment will cause the engine to be very hard to turn over. It'll cause premature wear and extra load on the starter. Okay, that's about what we want right there. So we're going to go ahead and lock that down. I can get the feeler gauge in. It'll just almost hang there. It's just snug. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this valve cover back on. Put your pulse line up to your fuel pump there. I walk the line. Okay, we're ready to do the other side now. This side over here is going to adjust the same way. I recommend adjusting these valves every year when you're doing your normal tune-up. This is going to ensure that your engine starts easy, it just runs better. For more free repair videos, visit my website at smalleng.com. To ensure that our videos stay up and free for everyone, small donations are appreciated. Thank you.